Welcome to this course on candle making for beginners, where I'll take you through the entire process of making candles in your own home and using low-cost materials. I'm Kevin Partner, co-founder of a leading online craft retailer, and I've spent many years developing my candle making skills and creating kits that have introduced tens of thousands of people to the wonderful craft of candle making. Candle Making for Beginners is an introductory course for newcomers to the hobby who want to make their own beautiful candles at home, whether for pleasure or for profit. In this course, I'll uncover the wonderful world of waxes, wicks, fragrances and moulds before we head into the kitchen, where I'll show you step by step how to create a range of pillar and container candles. We'll start with the basics before moving on to some more advanced techniques, and you'll finish the course with a stack of candles you can use in your own home. So I'll start with some of the essential background information you'll need to make candles safely and successfully. I'll cover the different types of wax used in candle making, both man-made and natural, before looking at how to choose the right wick and how to work out the quantities of fragrance and dye needed. Once we've done this, I'll show you how to make a basic pillar candle like this and a basic container candle like this, before going through a range of step-by-step recipes that expand on those basics. By the end of the course, you'll have all the main techniques needed to create your own recipes. This course is for complete beginners. I don't assume you've had any prior experience, just plenty of enthusiasm. All you need is some basic kitchen equipment, including some old saucepans to melt your wax in, and somewhere to work. Thanks for watching this introduction. I hope you're as excited as I am to get cracking.